Welcome to The Sanctuary, an amazing community in Oviedo, Florida with 744 homes ranging from 300,000s to the 500,000s. The Sanctuary boasts ample amenities for their residents, such as multiple sports courts, a clubhouse, pool, gym, splash pad, playground, and even more in their very own Amenity Park. This large community has two different entrances directly off of 419 with sub-communities within. The lively HOA hosts events often and allows for a great sense of community in the neighborhood, which is truly the best part about the Sanctuary. The Sanctuary is ideally located off of East 419 in Lockwood. It is minutes from the canoe launch into the Econ River. It is within walking distance to the elementary and middle schools and offers shopping and restaurants nearby, including two Publix shopping centers within a couple miles in either direction. The Chuluota community is only a 5-minute drive east from this community. Whatever the reason for your move here, the Sanctuary is a friendly community with great access to all Oviedo offers.